Hey guys, today we have a Five Below haul. Five Below haul. You may notice that Maya is not here. Next review video will be with her. Okay. First up, we have this little balloon animal. It's a squishy. It's super cute. It's a keychain. I don't know how much it was, but I found it in the keychain section. It's very cute and it's very squishy. It feels like a real balloon, so yay. Now we have Yan chocolate cream stuff. The candies in this, don't know how much they were. Probably close to $3 or $2. Pretty cheap. This one, I got it in a set with an alien one. It spilled in the car, so I don't have it, the alien, here right now, but I got this one for $5. I know, it seems like a lot for two of these tiny things, but it's worth it, okay? I have a banana popper. Pretty hard to squeeze, but here she is. And this one, and if I can get this one out. I can't get it out. Got this for $3.25. This is My Hero Academia decal for $2. Sticker set, holographic for $2. A Scorpio thing. I'm a Scorpio. I'm gonna start doing Zodiac content. Round of applause for that. We have. Why do I have to do this? A phone spin pop, it's called. I got this for $3. And I wanted to decorate my phone, so that's all the stuff we have here today in our Five Below haul. I will post a short of the alien one, so you'll get to see that once I find it, wherever it dropped off to, wherever it left me to. Well, if you hear any noise in the background, that is my mother. And yeah. Bye-bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, get notified to know whenever I post a new video, which is pretty frequently. I post almost every day. And make sure to leave a comment, share the video, and follow me on Roblox. Bye-bye.